The first method to make money on TikTok is through its Creator Fund. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is TikTok's Creator Fund? Well, it's essentially a pool of money that the platform has set aside to pay its creators for their content. Yes, you heard right. TikTok will actually pay you for your videos. So how does it work? The Creator Fund is distributed among creators based on the views and engagement their content receives. This means the more people watch and interact with your videos, the more money you stand to make. But remember, it's not just about the quantity of views, but the quality of engagement. A video that sparks conversations and shares could potentially earn more than a video with passive views. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to note that not everyone can tap into the Creator Fund. There are certain eligibility criteria that you need to meet. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, you need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. And third, you must be located in a country where the Creator Fund is available. If you meet these criteria, applying is pretty straightforward. You just need to navigate to the TikTok app settings, select Creator, and then click on Creator Fund. Follow the prompts to apply, and then keep your fingers crossed. As for potential earnings, it can vary widely based on your engagement levels and the number of views you get. Some creators reportedly make hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month, but let's be clear, these are usually the top-tier creators with huge followings. Nonetheless, even smaller creators can earn a nice side income. The key to maximizing your earnings from the Creator Fund is consistent and regular content creation. You need to keep your followers engaged and coming back for more. And remember, creativity and originality go a long way in the TikTok universe. So, if you're a content creator with a decent following, the Creator Fund could be your ticket to earning income on TikTok. The second way to earn money on TikTok is through brand partnerships. Brand partnerships are a tried and true method of monetization on any social media platform, and TikTok is no exception. What is a brand partnership, you ask? Well, it's when a brand partners with you, the creator, to promote their products or services. In return, you get compensated. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? So how do you attract brands? The key is to build a strong, engaged following. Brands want to see that you have an audience who listens to you, trusts you, and will act on your recommendations. They want to see that your content is consistent, creative, and resonates with their target market. Now let's talk about negotiation. This can be daunting, particularly if it's your first time, but don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Research the brand, understand their goals, and know your value as a creator. Don't undersell yourself. Consider factors like the size of your audience, the engagement rate, and the effort you'll put into creating the content. But wait, there's more to it than just the dollar signs. It's crucial to maintain your authenticity. Remember, your audience follows you because they appreciate your unique voice. Don't lose that in a sea of sponsored posts. Also, it's important to choose brands that align with your content and values. Working with a brand that doesn't resonate with your audience can do more harm than good, so be selective and don't just jump at the first opportunity that comes your way. Finally, remember that brand partnerships aren't just transactional, they're relational. It's about building a long-term relationship with a brand, one that benefits both parties. It's about growing your brand while helping another brand grow. So approach it with a mindset of collaboration, not just compensation. Remember, successful brand partnerships are about more than just money. They're about building relationships and growing your brand. Scene script. Thirdly, you can make money on TikTok by using TikTok ads. Now let's delve into the world of TikTok ads. TikTok ads are essentially short, engaging video clips that businesses and creators use on the platform to promote their products, services, or even their own content. The beauty of TikTok ads is that they offer a unique and interactive way to reach a wide, diverse audience. Getting started with TikTok ads is pretty straightforward. All you need is a TikTok ads account, a clear goal for your campaign, and a defined budget. Once you've got these in place, you can create your first ad by selecting Create a Campaign, then choosing your goal, whether it's to drive traffic to your website, increase engagement, or boost conversions. Next, you'll need to target the right audience, and this is where TikTok really shines. The platform offers detailed targeting options, allowing you to reach the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. You can target based on user behaviors, interests, demographics, location, and even the specific devices they use. Now let's talk potential earnings. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here, as your earnings largely depend on your ad budget, the effectiveness of your campaign, and the engagement of your target audience. However, with the right strategy, TikTok ads can certainly be a profitable venture. But here's the kicker. It's not just about setting up an ad and letting it run. It's also about testing different ad formats and content to see what resonates best with your audience. TikTok offers a variety of ad formats, including in-feed ads, branded hashtag challenges, and top view ads, each with its own unique benefits. By experimenting with these formats and tweaking your content based on performance, you can optimize your ads for maximum returns. So if you're willing to invest in advertising, TikTok ads could be a lucrative way to earn money. Keep in mind, though, that like any form of advertising, it requires a learning curve and a willingness to test, learn, and adapt. But with persistence and creativity, the potential is truly limitless. Another interesting way to earn on TikTok is through TikTok Live Gifts. This feature allows your followers to send you gifts during your live streams. But what exactly are these gifts? Simply put, they are virtual presents that followers can purchase with TikTok coins, a form of in-app currency. These coins are then converted into diamonds, which you, as the creator, can cash out. Now you might be wondering, how can you encourage your audience to send gifts? The key here lies in the quality and the engagement of your live streams. You see, people are more likely to send gifts to creators who entertain them, who make them feel seen and heard. So, make your live streams interactive. Host Q&As, perform or share interesting stories. The options are endless. The potential earnings from TikTok Live Gifts can vary greatly. Some creators have reported making hundreds, even thousands of dollars in a single live stream. It all comes down to the size and generosity of your audience. But remember, while the idea of earning money from live gifts is enticing, it's important not to lose sight of what truly matters: your audience. Engaging with them authentically, providing them with quality content, and building a strong community should always be your top priorities. If you're a natural entertainer, TikTok Live could be a goldmine for you. Finally, you can make money on TikTok by selling your own merchandise. Let's dive into how this works. You got a unique style, a creative flair, and a brand that's all your own. You can harness that creative energy to design and sell merchandise directly to your TikTok followers. Start by brainstorming what kind of products your followers would love. Think custom t-shirts, hoodies, stickers, or even coffee mugs. The key is to create items that are a reflection of your personal brand and resonate with your audience. Once you've got your product line, it's time to promote. Use TikTok's video platform to showcase your merchandise in action, give sneak peeks of new products, or even host a virtual unboxing. The aim is to create buzz and excitement around your products, enticing your followers to make a purchase. Now, let's talk logistics. There are numerous online platforms that can handle the manufacturing, order fulfillment, and shipping for you. This way you can focus on what you do best, creating engaging content and designing standout merchandise. Potential earnings from selling merchandise can vary greatly, depending largely on your audience size, product pricing, and marketing efforts, but remember, the quality of your products and your customer service are paramount. Satisfied customers are more likely to make repeat purchases and recommend your merchandise to others. So if you've got a knack for design and a loyal fan base, selling merchandise could be a great way to monetize your TikTok account. So there you have it, 5 effective ways to make money on TikTok. We've taken a journey through the bustling world of TikTok monetization, starting with the Creator Fund, a fantastic opportunity for eligible creators to earn directly from their content. Then, we navigated the exciting landscape of brand partnerships where you can team up with businesses to promote their products or services. We moved on to the realm of TikTok ads, a platform that allows you to cash in on your creativity and audience reach. Next, we explored TikTok Live Gifts, a fun and interactive way to earn from your live streams. Finally, we discussed the potential of selling merchandise, a perfect avenue for those with a loyal following and a unique brand. Remember, success on TikTok is about more than just making money. It's about creating engaging content, building a community, and most importantly, having fun. Good luck!